Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Shoplifting Duo Goes Nuts When Caught.
These yippity yappers had the audacity to bring their mugger bum stank into the store and
She went
shoplift
crazy
for the third time.
Man, come with me. Come with me. Where's the other one you're with?
Who?
The other woman you're with.
Nobody's with me.
You're by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
For her to be so little, she's gonna be so feisty, y'all. This shit is funny as
One more
fuck.
inside. All right, stay here.
That's Steve
What'd you take?
Wilkos?
Did you put anything in your bag?
No, what is they talking about? That lady was watching
I'm asking
her.
you.
I didn't put
Did
nothing
you-
in my bag. I've been sitting here waiting for roadside assistance because I locked my
Okay,
key
so
in
if
my
I look
car.
in your bag,
You're not
there's
looking
nothing
in
in
my
there.
bag. Nobody touching
And why you get so defensive? He ain't even asked you for that.
my bag. Nobody's accusing me of nothing. That lady, you can ask her right there. She been walking around seeing. I didn't touch nothing, bro. Nobody's touching.
Okay,
Nobody
well listen.
touching my
That's
bag.
listen.
Can't nobody accuse me of touching
Stop
nothing.
yelling.
No,
There's
I'm not.
only
Stop
one
yelling.
side of the story,
okay,
right?
well, go.
So all you have to do is say. All you have to do is say no.
Nobody's checking my bag. Simple.
Okay,
That's
so
it,
can I
that's
have
all.
ID?
I'm aggravated. No, you're
Then
not
let me
getting
look at
my
your
ID.
ID.
I'm not answering no questions.
So you're not
no,
gonna. You're not gonna.
No, you're not touching my ID. No, I'm
Yeah,
aggravated. I'm waiting for to get the key out of my car. I'm just walking around to waste time until roadside assistance to come and get my key out of my car.
She was walking around stealing.
Where's your car?
I'm not answering no questions. Why the do you keep asking? No, I'm not answering nothing.
We could probably help you with the key thing.
Yeah.
We have like our own people that can come out and
Coming in here, walking around like what the I'm wasting time. That lady seen me right here. I'm literally walking around.
She's so
Like I
aggressive.
said, I'm not.
Okay, well,
I only got
already
one
told
side.
you.
That's why I came out. I
already
want.
told you. I'm not
Listen,
answering no
I
questions.
ain't gonna lie, her voice is sexy to me though.
this is why I wanted you to come outside and have a conversation with me.
No questions.
All right, then don't.
Is this your friend or? All right. We're just trying to calm her down. She's pretty upset. So. Okay.
She already know how she is. Ain't no coming that down, baby.
Do you know each other?
Bro, I told you I came here by myself. Why
I'm
you
not
keep
talking
asking
to
me
you.
questions?
I'm
Stop
not
asking
talking
me
to you.
questions.
Do you know her?
Well, you just told me you did
Mama Smurf just said yes, she did.
inside, so you're lying. Do you have your ID on you?
No.
You don't have ID on you? Okay.
Not showing no ID.
Well, it's gonna be an issue if that's the case.
I ain't showing.
So you can come back to headquarters and I'll
Not
fingerprint you and
going
find
back.
out
I'm
who
not
you
going
are.
nowhere.
Okay.
Ooh.
You can bring
Alright,
up
so-
all you want,
alright,
but
so
that
we're-
don't mean
alright,
nobody.
everyone-
They ain't gonna
every-
process
so we're-
because they not
we're-
even in the system.
So we're investigating. They're
A hit dog gonna always holler.
allegedly that there's a possible shoplifting. So we have the right to detain you guys. You guys are detained right now, so you're not free to leave. You are absolutely detained, and we need to figure out what's going on. And if we need to ID you guys, we're going to ID you. And if you refuse to provide your information,
Hey, can you stay over here for me?
Bro, I'm not staying nowhere,
You-
bro.
you
What
are.
the fuck you talking about,
You
bro?
are. You are. You can get mad. I'm gonna be respectful to you. You can get mad all you want. But listen, if you keep walking away, I'm gonna put you in cuffs in the car.
Bro, matter of fact, bro, I'm about to call my Uncle Drew his statement.
Go
He
ahead.
about to come here. I don't know
Go
what the
ahead.
fuck you talking about. You got me up, bro.
Go ahead.
What's wrong with you?
Gotta give it to the burglar queens. Filling up their sacks with $3,000 worth of loot and acting like they run the country is no joke.
so did you get the story
Takes a lot of brilliance.
from inside? Or?
Yeah, they have a bunch of stuff in their bag.
Okay. So we're gonna
Yeah, if you ain't got that hair fixed yet, shit.
take 1 second. I'm gonna need your information. This is your last chance provided. If you don't, you will be placed on arrest for obstruction. So that's your choice.
That part.
So you're upset. I understand that.
I don't care.
So I need your information. If you have ID, give it to me.
I don't have ID or not getting my ID for
All
the
right,
fifth
so
time.
then-
My answer's still the same
so
to
then-
all three of y'all.
So then I
What the fuck
need
is wrong with you?
I need your name and date of birth. And if you don't provide it,
Mind you, this officer is being super nice. She doesn't have to be this nice. She don't have to act like this. She's just being reckless for no reason because she knows she didn't got caught stealing. But at the same time, I would have been respectful. Like, okay, y'all caught me. Like,
then you're
it's
gonna
cool,
be placed
fuck
on
it.
arrest. So please provide it. Are you gonna provide your information or no?
Mama Smurf, talk to her.
Miss?
So you
I
gonna
take
talk
that
to her,
as a
Mama
no.
Smurf?
Okay. Well, you're under arrest now for
Bro,
obstruction.
wait till my mom come, bro. I'm not doing all that.
No, that's not how this works. You don't.
touch
You
me,
you are not in charge.
bro. Do not touch me. Do not touch me, bro. Do
All
not
right,
touch
listen.
me. Do
Last
not touch me. I'm telling you now.
Last
Touch
chance.
me, you gonna be mad, bro.
Last chance.
You touch me, you gonna be mad, bro.
It don't matter. It's a
You gonna
minor
touch
anyway,
me.
so you
Don't
can't do
touch
that.
me.
So,
How do we know that? How do we know that?
I'm
I don't have to until she provides it.
it don't matter. You
Convince
can't
her.
touch no minor.
Look, she gonna be a minor and Mama Smurf gonna be pregnant.
So let me
Convince her
start
to-
recording.
Simply provide us with your name and date of
Don't
birth.
try to switch it up now, because I got you recorded. I just said you
We're
can't
not
have no
switching
minor.
anything up.
Because you was
Wait, y'all ain't going to jail.
definitely coming over here aggressive as hell with them cuffs out. And so I said you can't touch your minor. So
Well,
don't
that's not
try
how
to
it
back
works.
it up because I'm putting on.
Minors can still get arrested, stupid.
Record all you want. Look, I got a body cam on right now too.
Yeah.
It's like the blind just leading the line after this.
Y'all can either wait
I can't even get my words out.
I don't believe that.
you're-
Body cam.
Well, she's
It's a
gonna
lot of
she's gonna
dirty
give us her
cops.
name, or
There's
she's
a lot of dirty
you
I don't
give us
trust
your
no
name or
cop.
no. All right, so you're
Just
under
tell
arrest
me
right
your
now. So
name.
put
Bro,
your
do not touch me. I'm
Just
not.
give a name
Bro,
and
do
date of
not touch
birth.
me.
You
Bro,
cannot put your
Bro,
hands
do
on
not touch me, bro.
You
I'm
cannot
dead
touch
serious,
your
bro.
minor.
Get off of me.
You
I'm not-
can't touch
bro,
your
I'm
minor.
telling
You can't touch
Bro,
your
do
minor.
not touch me, bro.
Touch your minor. You
Bro,
can't
what
touch
the
your minor.
Bro, do not touch me, bro.
You like 110 pounds. What you thought was finna happen?
Do not touch me, bro.
No, I'm not. You cannot touch a minor. You can't touch a minor.
Bro, do not
How they supposed to know she a minor if she not giving them no ID?
touch me, bro. Do not touch me. You corny as hell, bro.
I'm still recording.
Step back.
I don't care. I got a lawyer. You
Okay,
can't
good.
touch no minor.
Step back.
You can't touch no minor.
Step back.
That lawyer can't be good if you got to steal $3,000 worth of stuff. You supposed to go
I'm
higher.
getting mad because they touching the minor. You can't do that. You know you can't.
Yo, y'all funny as hell, bro.
You can't do that. That's the law.
Let go of your
No,
bag.
I'm not. You ain't about to
Let go of your
nothing.
bag.
No, ask me nicely.
Let go of
Why
your
you
bag.
being so aggressive?
Let go of your bag.
Ask me
Let
nicely.
go of your bag.
Ask me nicely, not
Let
give
go
it
of
to
your
you.
bag.
These ladies knew when they seen the cops that they was not finna make their jobs easy.
No, you're not about to be aggressive with me.
Let
I'm
go
a
of your
girl.
bag. Stop
Cuffs
pulling.
already on me. Yo, if you don't let me go, I promise you, I'll spit
Go
on
ahead.
you.
Go ahead.
Bro, let me go, bro.
Get on up there!
Stop pulling and I'll let go of you.
Let me go. I've been standing here.
That's not works.
Talk, I don't know what the wrong with y'all cops. Talk work.
Why is it that every time these goo girls get caught stealing, one of them pops up pregnant?
All right, you gonna be in trouble. I just told you I'm pregnant. You're gonna meet against the car. That's the biggest lawsuit.
Let go of my
Mama Smurf, you is not pregnant.
You gonna go a pregnant woman on the car.
If you pregnant, why is you stealing? That's the stupidest shit you can do. That's child endangerment.
Or you could
Please.
say, can I please have your
Please let
bag?
go of the bag.
That's all you gotta
Please
say.
let go of the bag.
But don't throw me on no car.
I
I'm
didn't throw
pregnant.
you against any
Yes,
car.
you did. Yes, you did. Now since I told you I'm pregnant, you want a whole different excuse.
You can give me this now.
No, you not touching my bag, bro.
Mama Smurf is delusional.
Yo.
Let go of that, please.
Let go.
For them to be so fucking annoying, these cops are actually pretty chill, pretty laid back, bro. I gotta give it to the cops on this one.
Bro. Bro, come get him, bro. Come get him, bro. Come get him, bro.
What he supposed to
You
do?
can't do
Or
that.
she?
You can't throw a pregnant woman against the car. I told you I was pregnant. You still threw me against the car. So you gonna be mad. Can't do that.
Do you have any weapons on your?
No. No, we don't got no weapons. But I look like with a weapon.
What you look like pregnant?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
No, I ain't got no weapon. If I did, I would use it.
Okay.
Oh, really, bitch?
You're not gonna make comments like that. You're not gonna make comments like that. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, we're gonna go against my car now.
Y'all, this is when it get really good, though. She start acting like a cat that's finna get neutered.
Bro, why the yo, this man is acting crazy. Bro,
You gotta let go
bro,
of this purse.
let go of my bag, bro. This is my anything that's in my bag, it will get the out, bro.
Nah, that's the stuff that you was stealing.
Let go of it, please. Come on. Come on.
Bro, let go of my bag, bro.
You're done.
Let go. I'm not done shit. What you talking about?
You're cooked. A1 sauce. Stick a fork in ya.
Let go of the bag.
This is when it gets really good, y'all. Like, for real, for real.
Off, bro.
Damn, what you doing all this because I'm black?
No, your black ass was stealing. That why?
Stop moving your arms.
You won't be tickled. If I have a miscarriage, I'm taking your scalp.
Well, then relax.
I'm taking it.
Yo, you cannot touch my bro.
I don't think that's how that works, baby.
Bro, you
Why is she so mean and aggressive? Oh. Oh! You gonna kick a cop? Assault. Assault on a Leo. Resisted with violence.
And now, the moment of truth.
Oh, y'all dirty.
Look at
Big
that.
surprise.
Whoopsie!
Big surprise.
Oh, what do we have here?
Surprise.
Stolen merchandise.
How you gonna get back?
Big surprise.
Yeah?
Let's see what's in her bag.
Oh, you can't handle no minor. That's how you handle women. Who raised you?
Who raised her? Cause why the fuck she acting like that? Why she ain't just say, look, I was stealing, here it go. I'm smooth you and move on.
I don't care. I wasn't doing nothing but recording. That's what I was doing, recording. Get out my
What you was stealing?
road. Get down right. Damn, what the you about to hurt? If you hurt my baby, you gonna be in a lot of trouble.
You don't even look pregnant. That's just a little gas.
Yeah, okay then. So you better be. Yeah, I just told y'all that I'm not gonna keep saying it. You hurt my baby is on.
It's definitely.
Let me out of here, bro.
You're end up hurting yourself. Just
Bro, let me
out the lot.
Dude with the cool haircut.
See if there's like a car sitting around or something.
Let her keep kicking. Let her keep kicking.
Yeah, just stand right there and film her.
Bro, let me out, bro.
I'm childish. I would have been going like this time.
Hey, she's out of her cup.
She slipped out the cuffs. More charges.
Bro, take these off of me, bro. Take these off of me. Get me the out this car, bro.
These are double
Bro,
locks
get
over
me
here.
the out this car, bro.
Acting like this is not finna get you out the car. If anything, it's just gonna make your charges worse.
Bro!
Is she hitting him?
Stop.
Bro,
Relax.
get me out!
Ma'am, just relax. Can you please relax?
Bro, you break my ritual, bro. You won't hate me. I swear to God, bro. Yo, y'all is terrible.
No, you terrible. Cause why not just go work at McDonald's or something?
Terrible.
Jack in a Box. Get you 2 fast food jobs. Go work at the plant. Hell, the plant is always hiring. So many things you could be doing.
How do you
Damn, that's a big ass body cam.
double lock this guy? Okay.
Nope, nope, nope.
What the fudge? What is she doing?
Bro, I don't give a shut up, you ugly bro.
Someone's got to get on the other side. What are we trying to do? We're trying to get. Ma'am,
Bro,
can you please,
let me get the out. I don't want to be in this car.
can you please sit in the car, ma'am? Ma'am, let go of the car.
Yo, you ripping my
Let go. Can you please let go of the car?
Definitely would have been ripping her jacket like, whoopsie.
Ma'am, can you please let go of the car?
Bro, what's wrong with
Can you please let go of the car?
bro?
This has got to be the most annoying arrest I've ever seen on the body cam.
Hands are better.
It got bars on it, so it's okay.
Listen, the more you kick, the more charges you're gonna get. Do you understand? When you damage the car, you're gonna be charged. Do you understand? Do you understand?
If it was somebody white, y'all wouldn't need to be doing all this. What if
Yeah, we see white people get arrested all the time for theft, duh. Or getting kicked out because they've been beating their boyfriends. Like white people, black people, Hispanic, everybody do the same dumb shit.
you looking at, church?
Not a race thing.
Ain't nothing inside my coat. Get out my coat. Why you all in my? Ain't nothing in my coat but a mask. Get out my coat. Ask me, can you go inside my coat? I'm a girl and y'all men. Y'all ain't even supposed to be. Y'all ain't supposed to be frisking me. We're a woman.
Oh, okay.
I know my rights.
Yeah.
We're a woman.
That's a wrong right.
Yeah, we're a woman, cop that. Cause you ain't supposed to touch me. No, I can refuse it because I'm a woman. You ain't supposed to touch me. You a guy. Ain't nothing in here but a. You better not touch my stomach.
Let's get her in a car. Nick, get her. Where's your car at?
Over the 3 incidents, the females had stolen more than $4,500 worth of luxury perfumes.
Felony.
Amira was charged with 2 counts of shoplifting, obstructing the administration of law,
Yep.
resisting arrest,
Yeah.
aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer,
Yeah.
disorderly conduct, and criminal mischief. Sierra was charged with 2 counts of shoplifting, obstructing the administration of law,
Come on,
resisting
Mama
arrest,
Swerve.
and hindering. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. See you guys at the next video. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps my channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out.